Hello, today we are going to use a marble to do some target practice. We're going to look at 3 graphemes in particular, and we're going to listen to the sound and then roll the marble to the grapheme that we think makes that sound. So you should have 4 small pieces of paper and something to write with. So on your first piece of paper you need to write the letter C, and then put that in the same place as mine. On the second piece of paper you need to write an E and an A and put that piece of paper in the middle. And then on the third piece of paper you need to write a letter G and put that in the same place as mine. And then your marble or small ball or anything else that you've got that can roll just sits in the middle for a moment. So let's have a look at the graphemes we've got today, and we're going to think about the different sounds they represent. So what sound did you learn for that letter when you were in reception? K. What other sound can it make? So this one sometimes makes k and it sometimes makes s. What was the first sound that you ever learnt for this digraph? E. What other sound can it make? It can also make e. So these 2 letters make E, but they sometimes make e. What sound did you learn for this letter in reception? G. What other sound can it make? J. Okay, so I'm going to put the marble down here and I'm going to call out a sound. You're going to roll your marble to the grapheme which represents that sound. So listen carefully, roll your marble to the grapheme that makes E. Okay, now watch me and see if you rolled your marble to the right one. So this is E. If you rolled your marble to that one, on your last piece of paper you're going to start to keep your score. So if you got that one right, put a little tally on your paper. Here's your next one. Can you roll the marble to the letter which makes G? Okay, watch me and we'll see if you chose the right one. That makes G. So if you got that one right, then put yourself another tally on your score. Here's your next one. Can you roll your marble to the grapheme which makes S? Let's see if you got the right one. Watch me. S is this one. So if you got that one right, give yourself a tally on your scorecard. Here's your next one. Can you roll the marble to the grapheme that makes J? Let's see if you're right. J is this one. If you got that right, give yourself a tally on your chart. This time, can you roll the marble to the grapheme which makes E? Let's see if you're right. E. If you got it right, give yourself a tally. Right, we're going to muddle up the letters now. So, can you put this one at the start, and this one in the middle, and this one on the end? So you've got the letter G, the letter C, and the letters E, A in that order. Right, here's some more for you to roll your marble. The next one is E. Let's see if you were right. Here we go. E. This is the E. If you got it right, give yourself a tally. This is the next one. Can you roll the marble to the grapheme which makes S? Let's see if you were right. S. If you got it right, give yourself a tally. Here's the next one. Can you roll your marble to the grapheme which makes J? Let's see if you're right. This one makes J. If you got it right, give yourself a tally. Can you roll your marble to the one that makes E? Let's see if you were right. E. If you got that one right, give yourself a tally. Then this is the last one. Can you roll your marble to the grapheme which makes S? Let's see if you're right. S. So if you count up your tallies, and we'll see how many tallies you got. Right, the most you could have got right is 10. So if you got 10, fantastic, well done. If you didn't quite get 10, then you can play the game another time and see if you can improve on your score. What you could do is to get your grown-up to play this game with some other graphemes. So some of the ones that perhaps you need to practice. You could choose any 3 graphemes, put them in a row, get your marble, get your adults to call out a sound, and you've got to roll your marble to that sound. Have fun.